We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MMTLP stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. doing a full transition from the rip area to the dip area here on the 15-minute chart. And today, MMTLP stock was not the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market did as well. And our SPY buy sent a bull indicator at 10:15 a.m. and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 300% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see, they're popping up within the screen in the options chain. Some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, receiving this clarity and edge and looking to learn and grow together by using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with MMTLP stock, Mullen Automotive, doing a full transition back down towards the dip area here on 42 vision. Broke through resistance, hit new highs, and now it's broken through supports. And we need to talk about what is going on here within the charts and the inflow versus outflow. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bull indicator at 9:35 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator and getting connected over to our Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So here we are with MMTLP stock hitting white with red borders on the 15-minute chart frame from the rip area here of bright green bars on 42 vision. And if we go ahead and zoom out here and zoom back in towards this last point of white with red borders, it was back here on December 28th and the 27th, the last time we've seen white with red borders. Since then, we had not seen it. It was full strength up to this point from the 20-cent range to the 40-cent range. And here we are with the full transition from the rip area, as I call it, of bright green bars to the dip area of white with red borders. If it's your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision. It allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with MMTLP stock, Mullen Automotive, under a bear indicator on the 15-minute chart since way up here at 43 cents. And the outflows had began, and once they crossed over, things went even weaker, right? From way up here in the 40-cent range down to the 30s. And we need to talk about what's going on here, because in the morning, it actually fell to 37 cents. It found support there, and interesting enough, we're right back around that area where we bounced off of, and there was a lot of strength here going back into 40-cent area, 45 cents, and it even hit highs here of 47, some of the highest points that we've seen in weeks and months. But this is critical here as it's pulling back pretty fast. It's done a full transition here of white with red borders into this dip area from up here at bright green. It's under a bear indicator, and outflows are dominating right now on the 15-minute. Now, if we zoom out and we look at this from the 30-minute, you could see here a bear indicator popped up as well. It hasn't hit white with red borders, and the outflows are dominating as well. And this is crucial. And what I would watch here going into Monday is if here on the 30-minute, these inflows can pick back up towards the midpoint or even cross it to the upside to start reflecting some strength here in the chart, and eventually even cancel out this bear indicator and start going back up with those dark green bars like it did back here, and those bright green bars of strength, right? When these inflows picked up on January 4th at around 31 cents. Look how strong these inflows were up to this point yesterday and today, hitting the 40 cent plus area. And here it is now pulling back down and crossing for the first time since that date. Now, is it guaranteed to make the same exact move? No, but something to watch and not overlook. Now, if you zoom out even further and we look at this from the 1 hour, we will see here that on the 1 hour, the outflows have strictly fallen and actually crossed the midpoint, guys. This was going to be a crucial role here in holding this up. And right now, in the bigger picture, we're seeing it move with it as well. It's not just the volatility here within the 15-minute crossing below and doing a full transition, but also here on the 30-minute and 1 hour, we have a bear indicator up here since 40 cents, and we crossed the midpoint. The outflows are dominating again, and we have here a transition so far from bright green to red bars. What I would watch here is, will it continue into white with red borders to hit a dip area and try to find support, or will it actually hold itself up before getting to that area, try to cancel this bear indicator and get these inflows to pick back up on the 1 hour as well as the 15-minute and 30-minute moving together. So we're under a bear indicator on the 1 hour. If we zoom out even further and look at this from the 2 hour, the inflows are still above the midpoint, but we have a bear indicator that is about to confirm in the next 15 minutes. It hasn't closed yet and confirmed, but if it stays there, this could roll over into the next trading day, which is Monday. Now, let's zoom back in on the 30-minute. And as we can see here on the 30-minute, once again, we got that bear indicator up here at around 42 cents. It tried holding itself up here within this consolidation. You could see it there fighting to try to get back above 40 cents. It rejected and it fell down into the 30-cent area. Those outflows crossed. But what are the key levels I would watch here going into Monday? Well, the first resistance is 40 cents. If that could be broken through and used as support, the next one above that is 45 cents. And then comes 50 cents as I shared in yesterday's video. And the highest point it reached today was 48, nearly almost up there at around 47 to 48 cents. Now, these inflows need to pick up with it, cross the midpoint back up, and not just on the 30-minute, but also here on the 15-minute. It will be crucial. I will watch those rejection points or strength here within the 15-minute, and if it could cancel out this bear indicator and those transitions into strength on 42 vision as well. Now on the 30-minute here to the downside, the next support I would watch, if this continues to break down lower, well, the first one would have been 35 cents, but that's a pretty close one there. I would watch right down here at around 34 to 33 cent area, and below that is back down here where it found support back on January 4th, and it canceled that bear indicator that previously popped up, and this bull indicator popped up, and inflows picked back up 30 cents, guys. And below 30 cents, then comes 28 to 25 cent area that I would watch crucially and closely. But some people are speculating that even though this still has that high amount of cost to borrow and short interest, it is just setting up for the next bull run. Now that's just speculation. We got to keep in mind this has gone up nearly 100% plus in a matter of just a few days and weeks. And here we are with the first major pullback that is going to be crucial to find support before going even lower and breaking through more support levels, making things much weaker in the chart. So this bear indicator definitely needs to get canceled. We want to see these inflows pick back up here on the 30-minute and on the 1 hour. and same thing on the 15-minute. As I pointed out earlier in the video, and then this 2-hour will be crucial, and I'll be watching it if these inflows could stay above the midpoint, because if it goes from green to red and down towards the midpoint as outflows start to pick up, and this bear indicator continues to hold strong and transitions from dark green with red borders to red bars, it can make things a lot more weaker and start reflecting into the chart pretty quickly, guys. So those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside, and these inflow versus outflows and bull and bear indicators. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.